welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the salad recipes that I've been eating this week. And it's not your typical salad, the boring lettuce and tomato, which to me isn't very satisfying all the time. These salads that I'm making are going to be loaded with grains and veggies, and it's a really hearty salad that can make you feel like you're eating a whole meal, and it's really good if you're on a weight loss journey or you're just trying to eat better. So let's get into it. So the first salad I made was a Freaka salad. So here I am boiling some freekah according to the package, and I got this from World Market. A lot of health food stores have them. You can also buy it on Amazon. So I let it cool. Now I'm adding it to a bowl along with some green onion, red pepper, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and parsley. For the dressing, I'm adding 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. The next salad that I'm making is a roasted veggie Mediterranean Pharaoh salad. So I'm cooking the Pharaoh according to the package. I also got this from World Market, but I know that other stores have it, and you can get it on Amazon. So I roasted some broccoli, red pepper, green pepper, and red onion. I just added some salt and pepper and a little bit of grapeseed oil and baked it at 400 for about 20 minutes. Now I'm adding it to the bowl along with some kalamata olives. I didn't slice some, I normally do. I recommend it. Some feta cheese and the remaining of the salad that I made previously. I think it goes really well with the salad as well. You can also use Italian dressing or any dressing of your choice. And I'm just topping it with a little more dairy-free feta. The next salad is a loaded kale salad. The salad is filled with vitamins, protein, and antioxidants. So I'm just adding a bunch of kale into a container, some red onion, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, 1 can of chickpeas and black beans, of course rinsed and drained. And now I'm shredding some carrot into it. You really can't go wrong with the salad. You just add whatever veggies you have on hand. I'm adding some slivered almonds, and for the dressing I'm adding 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Seriously, you eat a big salad of these every day and your life is going to change, your body's going to change, you're going to feel amazing. Okay, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.